Hey everybody, so today I want to share with you guys how to make these little shower steamers. They're essentially just like the same thing as a bath bomb, but they're for your showers. And they're super easy to make, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to need is 1 cup of baking soda, and combine that with ½ cup of citric acid and ½ cup of cornstarch. See, they're exactly like bath bombs. So mix that all together. And then after that, you want to add in your coloring. You can use food coloring, or you can use mica powder. Anything that is skin safe will work perfectly fine. So I just made mine pink, of course, because pink is my favorite color. And then grab whatever fragrance you would like. I'm using peppermint essential oil, spearmint essential oil, and sweet orange essential oil because I think this combination just smells really good. And I ended up using a total of 100 drops across all the different fragrances. You want these to smell really, really good because they're going to be in the shower at the bottom of your feet. So you want it to smell really strong. And then you want to add in 2 tablespoons of water. This amount can vary by how humid your environment is. I used a total of 2 tablespoons. And you want to add it in really, really slowly, and be sure to mix it up as you're adding it in because you don't want to accidentally activate your shower steamer, or it's basically like a bath bomb, so do it the same way. But anyways, you want to make sure you have your texture basically like a wet sand texture. You want it to pack together kind of like a snowball, and that way you know it's done. If you need more water, add more. If you need less, just add less. So now you just want to pack your little shower steamers in whatever mold you have. I just had this little heart mold, but an ice cube tray works perfectly fine. And you want to make sure they're packed down nice and tight, and then let them dry overnight. And then overnight, they will become super, super hard, and you can just pop them out of their little homes super easily. And there you have it, your little shower fizzies. And just to show you guys, they're basically the same thing as a bath bomb, like I've said so many times in this video. When you add them to water, they just fizz up and look all colorful and smell really good. But you use them a little differently than a bath bomb. All you need to do is just grab your little shower fizzy, and then I like to drop them on the very far end of my shower, basically as far away from the drain as possible. And I like doing this just so the aroma sort of like sticks in the shower a little bit longer. Everything that I read online, it says to put it over towards the drain. I don't really see why, because I feel like the fragrance will just go directly down the drain. So I like to keep it on the far end to try to keep the fragrance in the shower as much as possible. And then I just stored mine in this little glass jar. You want to make sure it's somewhere that is airtight, that moisture from your bathroom won't get to it, because I like to store mine in the bathroom. So I just want to make sure no moisture will get to it. So basically that is how you make shower steamers. It's super, super easy, exactly like bath bombs, and I definitely recommend you guys trying this out. And this is a great alternative to those of you who don't really take baths but want to use a bath bomb. So let me know if you guys are going to be making them down in the comments below. So I do hope you guys have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye!
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time, like I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen, because I've had a vision. Now I'm on a mission to find myself.